Hi guys, it's Brock Blodgett again, and I'm back here with another video. This video, we're going to be doing the light blue fidget spinner that we've had for a while with the new fidget spinner. So, anyways, let's go ahead and do it. By the way, sorry in that that previous video, part 2, where I said, hey, this is da 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 da. Sorry if I said trying new fidget spinner 6, because in the title I did doing, but I did that just in case I really did do new tricks, because, you know, like I said, I didn't know if really I did get it. So I didn't, I didn't know if I really did get it of new tricks, because it was like a close call, and I didn't realize if it was like my fingernail. I mean, in part 1 we didn't even do that, but you know what I'm saying. Sorry, just sorry guys. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do it with 2 on top. Ready? On not the tip of my finger, but on my finger. Caught them both. Okay, now, I mean, that's not really a trick, because catching them, I don't know if that's really a trick, but I mean, if it's a sick catch, maybe. Okay, ready? Ow. I wouldn't recommend spinning it like this, but when you have another one in your hand, when I have another one in my hand, that's what I do. And I try to do it as careful as possible, because I really don't want to hurt my jaw. Because hurting your jaw, that would suck. Yeah, come on. Okay, ready? Here we go. So, right. Okay, here we go. Right. And we'll get the gold and bronze one out of its case in a second. You ready? Okay, ready? Now? Wait, I'm not doing that. That was my cheek, because I'm... So now, on the tip of my finger, ready? Of both these. Wait. I messed up. Hold on. I messed up. Okay, so... I didn't even let go of the light blue one, I think. Like... Okay. It's hard. Or no, how about what we do? What will be even harder? Wait. What will be even harder is to have this. Wait. Is to have this on the tip of my finger, and then let's do this one on the other. Oh. Okay. Never mind about that idea. We're not doing that. My thing went flinging of this and hit a cabinet. Sorry, I don't know if it is. I don't know how it is. Okay, so another trick I can do. Well, I mean, try. What's one I haven't done? What's one I haven't done, or even maybe tried? Yeah, this one I haven't tried. I'm just thinking, one I haven't tried, and even done. Ooh, I know. I haven't tried this, and then to the next finger, and then to the next. Ready? Okay. I actually don't think I have. We got it to the, I think that was on. Ooh. Middle finger. Alright, how about now? I want to try actually another one that I haven't tried or done yet. It's a little easier. How about, let me think. And I'll be doing it with the, just now this one. One I haven't done or tried. I'm thinking about another one. Uh, um, hmm. Ooh, I think I know one. Like this, and then, but then you go. You ready? It took a while for me to think of one I haven't done or even tried. Actually, I might have tried this one actually, because, you know, because I was trying off video to flip it over and then to get it onto my thumb. No, to like put both of these right here. So like it would be, and like you flip it somehow and go like that. Wait. It's so tempting to put your other finger right there because it's like so hard to like flip it. Oh, wait. Wait, that might have been it. Just kidding. No, I think wait, well, I think I'm trying to do it in there, so actually, no. That wasn't really it. Okay, hold on. Wait. Hold on, okay. Wait. It's so tempting. Oh. Oh, pop, 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 pop. See, it's so tempting to, like, do it. To, like, put your finger on, because, like, when it's flipping, I don't even know if it's, like, possible. Wait, no, you just have to move your thumb, I think, and then flip it, and then, boom, bring your thing in. That's extreme hard. Wait. Oh, my goodness. Wait. Okay, another one I haven't done or tried yet. Gotta think again. I wonder, one I haven't done or tried. Gotta think about that again. Another one is, Oh yeah, I think I haven't done or tried, like, on the tip of my finger and then land it right back here, but have it still be spinning. Wait. Oh, it just hit the bricks. I mean, I haven't done or tried this if, you know, I haven't done or tried it in my other videos, and even if I didn't video it and I didn't do it, then I didn't. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure I haven't. Wait. Yeah, first we're going, my fingernail, sorry if I didn't really, dude, I went like this, I spin it, and then you see that, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm looking at my phone, and it looks like you can see it. Unless it was like lower, because then you wouldn't see my hand that good. I mean, well, you can still, I don't know. Okay, ready? But yeah, I'll let her. Okay, ready? But okay, ready? Okay. Ooh, do. That just hit the thing again. Maybe we should step back a bit. Plus my feet are like way tired now. Holy. Like they feel numb and very, very weird stuff. Oh, that's fun. There we go. Oh. That was pretty sick though, that catch. Wait, no, ready? I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna go. Okay, ready? Boom. Wait, I have to do it at. Okay, ready? Boom. Boom. Wait. Boom. Boom. Oh. Okay, ready? Boom. Wait. Boom. Wait. Boom. Wait. Boom. Boom. Wait. 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 Oh. How did I mess up on that? Wait. 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 Boop, ba, ba. That's a pretty sick catch. Ooh, that was a sick one too. Catch. Wait. Oh, I don't know why my hands could go like that. I think it's just like fast reflex or something. I don't know. Okay, ready? Wait. All right, so we're at 14. We're past 14. 10. I already did that in my previous video where I tapped it and then I'm pretty sure. But I haven't done 2 on it and then. So now I'm gonna. Ooh. Okay, so we're at. So guys, that will have to do it. For this video, like, comment, and subscribe. and peace out.